Hello again. Welcome to shovel land and scoop land and butter dish land and dustpan land, although we may not be going there. I made up some colors earlier. This is what's left of them. This is the butter dish that started it all. That's the scoop we just initiated today. These are the shovels that made me want to play today. It is raining out here, but I think, as luck would have it, it may be very lucky that it's raining because I'm doing very well. I'm pretty happy about it. So I'm gonna quickly, no matter what's there, I'm quickly gonna try and use my OXO Good Grips omelet turning spatula that is listed on my Amazon account that's linked to the top of my YouTube page. And no matter what's there, I have a limited amount of time. And the thunder's been pretty interesting. So if I put my glasses on, I will see the spots that I'm missing. I am still experimenting and being successful, I have to say, with the semi-gloss white house paint from Walmart. And a little GAC 800, about 10%. I've explained this several times so far that I usually add Artist Loft white from Michael's or wherever. Anyway, so I don't suppose this matters as much as I think it does, but I've really enjoyed how much it's been sliding around on there. And I might have used a little less this time than I have the last few times. So I'm just taking a moment to try and make sure it's somewhat even and completely covered. And watching me spread white paint is just so boring. I can't blame you if you tune me out. Or jump ahead, whatever. So, there is my primed white canvas. And there goes my spatula into my water bucket. And here comes my beautiful paint colors. And I have been so happy playing with these. I can't tell you. And I'm not done. I'm so not done. I'm going to start this way. And maybe this time, we'll see just how far that'll go. Okay, so I'm not sure what I did with my spatula, and I really like having my spatula. Because at times like this, there it is! Cool! I can use it to scrape the bottom out. And then, because I can play, I'm going to play. I've never done that before. I may not like it later, but for right now, it's kind of fun. I am determined to use up all the paint I have right now. I keep forgetting I have a split end on this particular bamboo skewer, but I don't think it matters. Let's grab some more paint. You can see that I'm digging into the white, but at least as I'm digging into the white, it's got enough paint. I think I like doing the scoop down and the tap when I have a little more white paint on the surface. But that doesn't mean that I can't manipulate it back to what I want. It also does not mean that I cannot add some color if I want. As I am wont to do often, and do so. So, I don't know what else we're going to get. I know we don't have any yellow in there. I had to move my paints because the rain came and I seem to have used up the better part of the orange that I had. I am extremely tempted still to Rain-X this. I really do want to use all this up, so I think I'm going to bite the bullet and scoop her up with my shovel. And maybe if I can scoop some of that out, or shovel it down with my with my spatula, I can also add some other stuff and make something out of nothing. I want an edge catcher. Unfortunately, it did not rain on it too badly. Let's see what we can do with what we've got. I like a challenge. I'm never worried because I always have squeeze bottles of color handy and I can always do whatever I want with them. The edge catcher will allow paint to go over the edge and get tapped into place on the edge, and even, if I want to, put back on. Not that that's the best color I ever chose to put back on, but it doesn't matter because paint leads paint, and I can add some other paint to that if I so desire. And you know what? I do desire. And that's pretty different. I'm liking the weird stuff that's going on over there. And so much so that I'm kind of thinking I might want to play some more. I also might not want to play some more. But I like making marks and I like playing with texture, and I don't think I've done nearly enough of it since I've been doing fluid art. So my intention is to do a lot more of it and learn to manipulate a lot more as best I can. I like that purple right there. And brown is not that hard to cover up, to tell you the truth. Especially if it isn't totally overpowering yet. Looking and thinking, and I've got 12 minutes left. I'm hoping I can do something cool with this in the time I've got. And I don't see why not, if I can make the colors work. Which I'm not super confident with right now, but that is just a temporary state of affairs, and that can change. Getting a lot of really fun, organic feeling, foliage feeling, plant type stuff going on today. And that does not hurt my feelings. I kind of like it. And I'm not minding that the white paint on the canvas allows me to sort of create some drama in there. I'm not sure what's going on, but it's kind of cool. It's alright with me. And I just feel like playing, and I'm going to play because I feel like it. You never know if you don't try. And the Rain-X did some magnificent things. I want a different blue in there. I'm not sure that this is the blue I want in there. I'm not sure it's even going to come out of there. That I just mixed. Oh, really? Okay, fine. Be that way. Well, I guess I got to find out if I wanted that in there. I don't mind it. This is cool. What's going on over here? Maybe I can pick up a little something going on here. Continue today's freaky theme. Who am I kidding? That's every day's freaky theme. That's neat. It's different. I'm so not done. I have some really nice colored, if I knew where it was right now. No, it's not that blue. No, it's not that blue. Although that is a pretty cool blue. I wonder if there's anything left in there. Whoops. I see where there's some left on my canvas now. Okay, well, that'll have to become integrated into the design. Kind of like the splooges. I'm not so sure about these. I think we're going to do something with that right now. Alright. Let's grab a shovelful, shall we? Go right down over. I think, where's my, where's my anything? I think I got 8 minutes left and something pretty strange going on. But how is that any different than any other time? I wonder. I don't think it's any different than any other time. I think I'm going to need something in there to camouflage that strangeness. I'm going to wipe that skewer off. I'm making mud. I'm going to at least steal some paint. I think we'll just go to town right here. Why not? It kind of reminds me of a thing I wanted to do earlier. It's different, that's for sure. Which reminds me, I can take some of this, hopefully, camouflage things, make things a little more interesting. Not that I'm sure they need to be that much more interesting, because they're pretty different now. But I got all this great paint. And a little splash of color here or there, especially when you're making mud. Never heard anything. And it seems like it's a very likely thing that we can distract the eye from mud if we're extremely fortunate. I'm pretty sure the Rain-X will help too. I like the idea of a different color. A shoot coming off the top. That's different. Okay, so what that means to me is that I got a bunch of stuff going on here. But I'm not overly certain about how I'm feeling about it. But I'm just going to keep doing it anyway. Because it is what it is. And we've got paint to use. It's my surreal moment. Let's see what we got left in here. Not a lot. All right, I think that is pretty well it. Weird as it is, it's different and cool, and it was fun to do. Now we get some funky things going on. More than funky. We got some fugly stuff going on, but that doesn't mean it has to stay that way. I have 3 minutes left. I can do all kinds of stuff if I want to. I'm not sure I want to. I do want to cover my edge right there. And I have just enough paint left in the bottom of my dish. But what I do want to do... Geez, I wish there was a little bit more of that. Maybe I don't need it. Maybe just... Whoa! Maybe there's a big lump of something right there. In that lump of something. Okay. Well, that's cool. I'm gonna just have a few dots. Sort of randomly placed texture. Because I can. And that's how I roll. And this is weird, but somebody will like it, and I kind of do. And we'll see how much more I like it. Yeah, no, that's pretty simple. Maybe that's the wrong word. Some really neat stuff going on in here. And I'm going to put this in the bucket. Maybe I won't. Maybe I'll just have a look for a second at what's in my shovel. And use my finger. Yep, I like that. Okay, shovel in the bucket. Rain-X is coming up. Here goes nothing. Neato. Yesa. Look at those big cells over there. That's cool. Alright, and that's going in the bucket. And it's wicked different, but I don't care. Because every once in a while you just got to break out of your mold. And you've got a minute left. I've got a minute left. And I'm not sure there's that much I should try and do anymore. Because it's as done as it needs to be. So, Priscilla out. There's a Patreon link and a PayPal link on my YouTube header. Also links in the description below the video. And if you want to use them, that would be greatly appreciated because I don't have any other income. And I do hope to find another method of income, but right now I'm thinking that this is kind of a good thing to do. A lot of people seem to be enjoying it. Me, mostly, among them. A few gold dots never hurt anything, right? Strategically placed. I think that's probably one more. And you're done. I love the jagged, but they're crystalline. I love the crystalline shapes. And I think I want to, oh, right, almost into the painting. Okay, I don't know how that happens. That's cool. Well, I don't know if you can tell how cool that is from up here. It's got some really neat stuff going on. It's kind of surreal. Okay, well, I was happy you could join me. I'm trying to get you a better picture before I go. But that's it. So, strange as it is, it's all good with me. I'll talk to you next time. See you in the next video. Bye for now.